Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your risk management strategy with BlackRock, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your risk management strategy with BlackRock, begin by assessing your current strategy. Identify the key areas of your risk management approach. Evaluate the performance of your existing strategy over recent market conditions. Consult with your investment team to gather insights on market shifts and emerging risks. Research BlackRock's resources and tools tailored for risk management. Visit the BlackRock website to access their market insights and risk analysis. Familiarize yourself with the BlackRock Risk Management Framework. Consider attending a BlackRock webinar or conference for in-depth information. Analyze your portfolio in the context of BlackRock's risk assessment models. Determine if your asset allocation aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Utilize BlackRock's risk management tools for scenario analysis and stress testing. Engage with BlackRock's experts for personalized advice and strategies. Incorporate the feedback from your consultation into your revised risk management approach. Monitor ongoing market developments to ensure adjustments are timely. Revisit your strategy periodically to adapt to changing conditions. Implement your updated risk management strategy and track its performance regularly. Document any changes made and the rationale behind them. Communicate the revised strategy to all relevant stakeholders. Set clear metrics for success and benchmarks for evaluation. Continue learning and adapting to enhance your risk management practices over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.